Many people do not know that the Central Bank of Nigeria has increased their minimum base capital for all commercial banks. And this is why many Nigerian banks are listing their shares publicly, because they need enough capital to reach this new standard set by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Now, did you know that with as little as 5 to 10,000 naira, people are investing in the Nigerian stock market at large, and they are earning dividend, earning profits from their shares, and much more. If you do not have this knowledge, you will keep jumping from one public offer to another. Before you jump into buying any Nigerian bank shares, watch this video till the end. And why should you take my word for it? Here's a review of one of the people that have helped invest in the Nigerian stock market without them having prior knowledge to it.
Hello Kazi, how you doing? I just thought to share with you that I just received my first dividend from UBA. It really makes me very happy. Like I can't remember how many units I bought, maybe like 10 or so. But I'm so happy that randomly I just got a dividend. So I'm hoping I took that your course. You need to write something on that thing and put it on seller, because I need to help you promote it. I'm an affiliate marketer, so I can easily promote it for you. You need to write it and put it on seller. I'm so happy.
I have a course that centers on how to invest in the Nigerian stock market at large, how to earn dividend from Nigerian stock market, how to be a certified Nigerian stockbroker, how to monitor your shares and stocks, pull your funds out whenever you feel like a company is not doing well. The course also shows you the best Nigerian companies to buy into. I have another course on how to earn and invest in the foreign stock markets like Apple, Tesla, Google, Meta, etc. And that course goes for a price of 15,000 naira. But hold on, I am leaving the course for free right now in celebration of my birthday that is in 1 week time. So jump to my YouTube channel. The link will be attached to this video. Go to my YouTube channel, watch that webinar replay course, and implement everything you see there before jumping to buy any Nigerian public offer shares. All you have to do is say thank you and share the video when you're done watching. You might not see this video again, and as you can hear from the review I just posted, that is a paid course. So jump right now to watch the video before it goes back to being paid and private. And you might not see that video when you procrastinate to watch it. So jump right now. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video to anyone you know wants to buy the Nigerian public offer before they do that.